Good morning, kids. Kids, today we are going to learn a English subject. In English subject, today we revise a previous letter, that is capital cursive A, and today we also learn a new letter, that is capital cursive B. But first we revise our previous letter. So revise everyone with me. First we make a curve like this. After that we will join a slanting line at down to up. After that we will join one more slanting line at this side up to down. After that we will make a oval shape like this, and after that we will make a curve outside of this line. This is the letter capital cursive A, and the phonic sound of A is A. The phonic sound of A is A, and the words related with the phonic sound of A is ant, apple, aeroplane. Okay, now everyone speak and write. A for apple. A for ant. A for aeroplane. Again, A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for ant. How to write? Again look here. Curve, then join slanting line. After that join one more slanting line. Make a oval shape and then make a curve outside of the line. This is the letter capital cursive A. This is the letter capital cursive A. Now our revision line are completed. Now we learn a new letter, that is capital cursive B. You know what's the phonic sound of B? The phonic sound of B is B. The phonic sound of B is B. This is the picture of butterfly. Everyone, this is the picture of B says butterfly. And this is the picture of B ball. This is the picture of B boy. This is the picture of bus. So these all are the pictures related with the letter B, and the phonic sound of B is B. Now everyone, look here how to write capital cursive B. For capital cursive B, first we make a slanting line with the slightly curve like this. After that, we will make a curve down to up and then turn it. This is our second step. Now our third step is, after that we will make a curve inside and then outside like this. After that we will make a curve inside of the curve like this. This is the letter capital cursive B. Now everyone write here. First we make a slanting line with the slightly curve. After that, we will turn the line down to up. After that, we will make a curve like this and then a turn inside of the curve. This is the letter capital cursive B, and the phonics sound of B is B. Everyone speak and write. B for butterfly. B for ball. B for boy. B for bus. Speak and write, everyone. B for butterfly. B for boy. B for bus. This is the letter capital cursive B. This is the letter capital cursive B. Now this line is completed. Now come in next line. Again, make a slanting line with the slightly curve. Then turn down to up. After that, make a curve inside like this. This is the letter capital cursive B. And the phonics sound of B is B. The phonics sound of B is B. What's the phonics sound of B? B. And the words related with the sound B is butterfly, ball, boy, bus. Butterfly, boy, ball, bus. Now our second line is also completed. Again I'll repeat it. The phonics sound of A is A and the phonics sound of B is B. I hope you all are understand very well and do the practice at home. Bye-bye.